The Brighter Bites program provides families and teachers at participating elementary schools with 50 servings of fruits and vegetables every week for 8 weeks in both the fall and spring semesters. The 3-year program started in Pasadena ISD in the fall of 2014 after former Health and Wellness Coordinator Pam Tevis asked Red Bluff Elementary Principal Tammy Hinton if her school would participate in the program as part of a study being conducted by the UT School of Public Health.
Pam asked me if Red Bluff wanted to participate in the study, and of course we were more than willing to do whatever we could to help benefit our students. The guys from UT came out and they weighed the students at the beginning of the year and then again at the end of the year to see what impact healthy eating would have on them.
Now operating independent of the study, the program is open to both elementary schools and Head Start facilities, with the goal of serving at least 150 families at each site per year. They also provide day camps during the summer.
Brighter Bites is such an awesome program because it feeds our families and gives them a healthy option and healthy alternatives to those processed and prepackaged foods.
Brighter Bites teams up with many local businesses and organizations, such as H-E-B and the Houston Food Bank, to provide families and teachers with the fruits and veggies they need. They also share recipes and cooking tips specific to the produce they are distributing.
Today in our bag we got collard greens, and I wouldn't normally cook collard greens, but they gave us a recipe to show us how we can
prepare it, something that they wouldn't normally eat. And following the recipe, it helps our kids to incorporate this into
their everyday diet.
As part of the program, Brighter Bites provides coordinated approach to child health, or CATCH, training to teachers at participating schools so they incorporate healthy eating and nutrition into their lesson plans.
While providing our kiddos with healthy fruits and vegetables is totally awesome, the fact of the matter is that in order to have real, long-lasting effects, we need to be able to reinforce healthy eating in the classroom.
There are 3 ways an elementary school can qualify for the program. 80% or more of the students receive free or reduced lunch. The school receives Title I funding. 75% or more of students live below the national poverty line.
I love volunteering for Brighter Bites because it gets me out of the house. I get to make some new friends with the parents, and I'm contributing to the school and the community around me.
Brighter Bites has been great for my family. As a parent, it's great to have one less thing to worry about because they provide the vegetables and the recipes for you.
We love the Brighter Bites program here at Jessup. It's beneficial to our families by providing them with fresh fruits and veggies and also saving them money at the same time.
A hungry student is a distracted student. That's why the Brighter Bites program is so beneficial to our school. If a student doesn't have to worry about where their next meal is coming from, they can focus more on their classwork.
If your campus is interested in participating in the Brighter Bites program, please visit brighterbites.org.